I'll reveal the secret behind this amazing dessert that few can make. Let's head to the table and start by peeling 3 or 4 ripe mandarins. Next, grab a BBQ skewer and stack them on it, just like I'm doing here. Find a 1.5-liter plastic soda bottle, the kind you're familiar with. Cut off the top part. I decided to do it entirely with a knife. Transfer the mandarins to the plastic bottle and set them aside. In a small bowl, mix 40 g of unflavored gelatin powder with half a cup of room temp water. Which country are you watching from? Now microwave it on high for 30 seconds. A double boiler works too. In a medium bowl, mix 395 g condensed milk with 200 milliliters regular milk. Is there anything more satisfying than seeing everything come together perfectly? I'd say no, but what do you think? Once well mixed, set it aside and let's check on the gelatin we left in the microwave. This one's nice and loose now. Add it to the mixture and stir until everything's well combined. This is where the magic starts to happen. Raise your hand if you're craving this dessert right now. Don't forget to tell me what other tangerine recipes you'd try. The options are endless. Now transfer all this creamy mixture to the plastic bottle with the tangerines. Fill it right up to the top. Then grab some cling film and wrap the bottle tightly to seal it. This, friends, is what separates the pros from the amateurs. Pro tip: seal it well so it doesn't absorb fridge odors or flavors. Pop it in the fridge and let it chill for at least 3 hours. After this time, the dessert should be firm enough. Remove the plastic wrap, cut the bottle tip with scissors and take it off. This is the moment of truth. Who else is excited to see how it turned out? I hope you're enjoying the recipe so far. This dessert is meant for sharing, isn't it? Share the recipe with friends and let me know how yours turned out. This helps me create more delicious content. Lastly, remove the stick and slice the dessert. The recipe is now complete. This is where life gets a little sweeter. Serve, enjoy, and tell me if you want more recipes like this. Until the next recipe. See you soon.